morning. This is Kudo Gudarzi of All Cars, and today we're gonna buy a car from Mr. Francis at Santa Ana, Manila. And hi, good morning, Mr. Francis. This is Mr. Francis, my very, very pogi client. Halika, let's buy the car.
Ito talaga yung specialization ko sa physical therapy. So, mga clients ko, sir. Yan. Patelo, Albert.
I'll follow you now, ah. Therapy, trigger point therapy. Nakatuwa naman. Oh, yung mami ni Quark nandito. Galing, nakatuwa. That's why I like what I do kasi I meet a lot of people every day. And iba-ibang line of business, iba-ibang specialty. Ayan, so si Coach Franz. Coach Franz is yan. So trigger point therapy if you want to, yan, muscle alignment, bone alignment, bone setting. Okay, this is the car naman, 2022, no? Okay, ito yung sport. So, ang difference ng sport to everything else, number one, may sunroof, no? And yung leather niya, parang pag bumalik ka ng Lexus na F-Sport, usually red yung leather. Not all the time. Dahil pa laging red. Sir, start ko lang. So, as everybody knows, we have a no mileage tampering guarantee. That's why I always show you yung condition ng kotse pag binibili. Mileage is 57,000. Check the sunroof. Gumagana. Everything checks out naman. I'll just open the hood. One last final inspection. Ah, nice! Maganda naman ng Geely. Geely is really good. Lalo na lumabas ito. Talagang unique nito yung market eh. For the price point.
Tapos yung
Features.
features na hindi mo makikita sa ibang brand.
Correct. Okay. No signs of collision.
Yung sa warranty pa eh. I think it's 5 years warranty.
Oo.
So, kompleto pa naman.
Yeah, complete everything. Okay. Shake hands. Para meron tayo ebidensya. Kabineta mo sa akin. So yun, doon na tayo kabilis. We're just gonna pay. Sa akin yung cash. Actually, tapos na tayo. Thank you so much, Coach. And ako naman yung tatawag sa'yo soon. Very soon. Kasi lagi nandito ko. So parang chronic pain na nga siya. So I'm very, very happy. So we're done. So if you wanna buy cars, wanna sell cars, let's go to Gudarzi of All Cars. Your favorite car trader in Metro Manila. And this is Coach Franz, your favorite PT in the entire universe. Have a nice day.